Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I am so excited for today's video because I love doing giveaways, and as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be doing a humongous giveaway. Literally, I decided to put everything in a Sephora bag, and bad idea because I feel like it's almost about to break the bag. There's so many products in here and some that I couldn't even fit. So I cannot wait to share with you guys all the prizes that you'll be winning. But yeah, it's a lot. So we have lots of makeup and of course lots of skincare. So before we dive into all of the products, I do want to say a couple things. First off, all the information is going to be down below in the description bar, so you know when the giveaway ends, how to enter. There's going to be a link that you will click. It'll let you know what is mandatory to enter, and then it will also let you know other ways that you can enter, such as bonus entries. This video is also sponsored by ShopTagger, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know how much I truly love them. They're honestly one of my favorite brands to work with. If you haven't heard of them, they're an app and they also have an online website, and you guys, they notify you the second things go on sale. Now, I've raved over and over and over again about all the money that they've saved me from shopping. I tag every single item that I want to buy in this app, so that way it notifies me. Now, I will say, with all the crazy things going on right now, I know a lot of you guys may not be shopping, which I totally understand. It is a really crazy time right now. Even, you know, my boyfriend, he's not currently working, so I know that it's just a very hard time. But one thing that I've been liking to do is just save things online that I really like and I want to buy at some point. So that way, whenever things get a little bit better and I'm able to purchase things, I will have them saved and I'll be notified when they go on sale. Another thing I've been liking to do is things that we really need in our home that are out of stock. I've been trying to save it on the app as well because it notifies you the minute it goes back in stock. So let me just tell you a little bit how it works. So let's say you are shopping around online and you see something you like, but let's say, you know, it's not in your price range, you're not doing a ton of shopping. At the moment, you tag the item through ShopTagger, and it is going to give you the option to be notified when it goes on sale for 25% off, 50% off, or any price. So you click which one you want and it's going to save it into your ShopTagger account. Now, what I personally like to do is organize my ShopTagger account by clothes and jewelry and makeup and hair care, and you can create as many lists as you want. That way it's really easy to filter through. I have so many items saved, it's almost embarrassing because I live and breathe by ShopTagger. You can also send your list to friends and family, so different holidays, let's say Mother's Day is coming up and you want to hint to a significant other or whoever, you can send them that list. And then another new feature that they have to save you even more money is they have a coupon feature. It will search through all the coupon codes and let you know which ones work and also which one's going to get the most money off for you. That way you don't have to filter through a bunch of different websites trying to find discount codes like I used to have to do. I'm so grateful for ShopTagger and all of the cool technology that they have to be able to do this. And then lastly, I'll say, just to make it easier for you guys, I recommend downloading the button on your computer. That way it's always easy and right there. I've found with me, I have a lot of extra time on my hands, so I've been browsing a lot, and so it just makes it easier. All you have to do is go to their website, you click download the button, and it will give you instructions of how to download it on your browser. It's just so much easier, so you can tag and save items. So one of the mandatory things that you guys will have to do to enter the giveaway is to download ShopTagger and make sure to tag 2 items, but of course you can tag as many as you want. I know me personally, I'm going to start a list on my ShopTagger account for different outdoor like rugs and pillows that I want to get. That way I can be notified when they go on sale. I will say, if you are shopping now, you definitely want to tag these items because I have seen so many different brands that are having such big sales that have been going on. But thank you again to ShopTagger for sponsoring this video, and let's dive in to all these prizes. Okay, so I'm going to start with some of the skincare items that you guys will be winning because I feel like right now self-care is very important, and I'm so excited to be able to gift you guys so many different skincare items. So the first thing that we have are lots of different type masks. So I even have some foot mask in here because, as you guys know, and I'm not sure how it is on all the different states, but like here, the nail salons and the hair salons, they're all shut down, so I wanted to give you guys some stuff that you could do at home. So first we have an exfoliating foot mask. We have a hyaluronic moisturizer sheet mask. Then we have the V-Line Chin Up Mask. This is for lifting and firming. Don't know if you guys have been like me, but I've been doing a lot of eating at home. Then we have the I'm Lemon Layering Mask. So you'll be getting all of those masks. Then we have the Derma E Vitamin C Eye Bright. These are eye patches. We have the Vitamin C Gentle Cleansing Paste. The Overnight Peel from Derma E, as well as their serum. So lots of Derma E products. I do love them. Then we have a Detox Purifying 2-in-1 Mask. This also has charcoal in it, so it's very good to like detox with your skin. We also have the Paula's Choice Pore Refining Toner. And lastly, on the skincare side, we have the Derma E Purifying Gel Cleanser. So many different ways to clean and detox your face. And then you guys will also be winning these different Color Street nail designs. So these are actually real nail polish strips. You can like do your nails at home, and they're really pretty. So this is like a really pretty blue glitter shade. All you do is you peel the polish strip, then you put it where you want it, apply it to the nail, and then you stretch it to fit, and you file off the excess. And they look really good too. This one's really cool because it's lace. So you have like different lace options. And then you guys know how much I love a hot pink. So these are hot pink nails. Okay, next thing we have is the Mwaah 5-piece full face kit. So you get 4 different brushes as well as a carrying case. From Essence, you guys are getting their 3 newest palettes. So we have the Pure Nude Highlighting Palette. We have the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Palette, and then the other shade in the Pure Nude Highlight Palette. These shades are so beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. And I saw them swatched. They look gorgeous, especially the bronzer. I'm honestly really jealous. I think I need to order this for myself. And then again, here is the other shade in the highlight palette. So lots of pretty options to be bronzed and highlighted. Okay, next thing is going to be a primer. This is from Dermalogica, and I love Dermalogica's line. This is their Hydro Blur Primer. Next, we have the Living in Color by Hank and Henry. So this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette with lots of pretty shades, and you also have some really nice shimmer shades too. I feel like this would be really fun, especially for the spring and summer. You will also be getting the 2 newest Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. The first one's a mix of colors, so you have 2 brown shades, a pink and a blue, and then the other ones are more neutral tone with a green. Next we have from The Balm Cosmetics In the Balm of Your Hands, and this actually can be used a couple different ways. So you have some of their very best sellers like Bahama Mama right here, which is a really pretty bronze shade. Then you have some of their blushes. You have the Betty Lou Manizer, which is a beautiful highlight, and then some more shades that you can use as eyeshadows. I love this palette. We have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Setting Spray. You'll be winning a 3-piece makeup brush set to go along with the Moda brushes. The NYX Professional Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. This has a lot of really pretty shades in it, and you can also use them as eyeshadows. You'll be winning 2 different colors of the Urban Decay 24-Hour Eyeliner. So you have Perversion and Torch, which are both really pretty shades. Next, you'll be winning 4 different Ofra Cosmetics lip glosses. So the first one we have is Clear, so you can use it over anything. We have the color Slush, which is a really pretty like mauve pink. Then the next 2 I love because they have like little sparkles of glitter, like gold glitter in them. The first one's called Natural, and then the other one is called Golden Rose. These are so pretty, and I think they'll look really great for the springtime too. And I guess I forgot a skincare product. So this is the Tony Moly Vitamin C Serum. So I'll add that into the pile. So one of my favorite blushes for the summertime is the California by Benefit, which you'll be winning. We have the Rimmel Extreme Wear Black Eyeliner, and this is a felt tip liner. So I want to give you guys different options. The Urban Decay is like a crayon type liner, and I love a felt tip liner, especially for a wing. So you guys will be winning this. And then we have all 3 colors of the Rimmel 24-Hour Brow Pro Micro. So that way it hopefully should match y'all's brows. So you'll get get 3 different colors. You can also use these to do like a more highlighted ombre type brow if you want to do it lighter in the front and then fade into like a darker brow. So you have these 3 different options. I have 2 of the Mineral Wear powders from Physicians Formula. And I know I had a ton of questions about the cream blushes from CoverGirl, so I'm going to be gifting you guys 2 of these. So you will get the shade Ripe and Ready, as well as the shade Butterfly. So one's like a more like purpley shade, and then one's more of like a mauve nude shade. Then we have the Volume on Demand and the Ultimate Boost from Rimmel, and these are mascaras. So you can use this one to prime up your lashes, make them super long and thick, and then go over it with this to give the volume and darken and make them black. But if for some reason the mascara is not enough, I'm also going to be gifting you guys 2 different pair of lashes. So these are from the brand Base Blue, and they're both really pretty and fluttery and full volume. Okay, you're going to be getting a Beauty 360 sponge. And then from the Samantha March collection with Ofra Cosmetics, you'll be getting both of the glosses in the shades Millie and Story. You have a cream highlighter by CoverGirl. And last but not least, because I know this was a lot of stuff, you are going to be getting the Violet Voss Essential Palette. And this has some really pretty shades which you can like mix and match. Again, super fun for like the summertime and super pretty and colorful. So you guys, that is going to be it for all the prizes for the giveaway. I'm so excited to gift you guys this box, but let me know in the comments what was your favorite item from the giveaway. And as always, I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!